Hi, my name is Kate Kunkel, and I'm very happy to be a teacher at Central Catholic. I'm centered mostly in the English department. I teach freshman English, junior English, advanced placement English, and advanced topics in literature, which is an elective class. In addition to that, I also have a social justice class that comes under the theology department, where we help seniors get ready to be lifelong Catholics. We want to have an opportunity to have one last review of what the Catholic Church asks of us as adults. I'm a student council advisor. We sponsor a lot of the social activities during the school year, try to keep school spirit up. We are responsible for a lot of dances, a lot of just kind of unifying activities. We have a lot of great kids working on that. Also work with the drama class. Our purpose is to get people comfortable on stage, presenting their ideas. And we basically do several assemblies during the year, mostly for the senior high and middle school, but also a couple for the elementary school. I also work with the curriculum, and as the curriculum person, I am able to work with different departments to ensure that we have the classes that kids need now, and also to help them for the future. We've been adding several different career-related classes to the curriculum so that students, for instance, who are thinking about engineering have an engineering track to follow. A lot of our students go into medical fields, so we have ramped up our science and medical offerings, working with the guidance counselor and the teachers. A lot of job shadowing is available to kids. So technology, of course, has become a huge part of all education, but we've really focused on it here. The teachers have had a lot of training, and we work hard to incorporate technological aspects into class so that kids are prepared, interested in classes, and then also prepared for where their future will take them. It's a great place to teach, great place to learn. Thanks.
Definitely that the teachers are able to connect with you more and able to help you out.
What do you think about small class sizes?
I think they're good because you actually get to know everybody. You don't really know strangers.
Hi, I'm Mr. Michael McNess, and I teach 6th grade social studies, 8th grade social studies, 6th grade theology, 6th through 9th PE, and I am one of the co-directors for the 6th grade Passion Play. I'm assistant athletic director, and I am one of the directors for our Veterans Day celebration here. All three of my sons have attended here, are attending here. Two of my sons, one just graduated and is at Penn State right now. And I brought my sons here because I wanted them to grow in their faith on a daily basis, and the education here is just unprecedented, so that's why we're all here.
Hi, my name is Mrs. Gressler, and I am the middle school science teacher here at Central. I'm also the leader of NJHS. I am on the care team. I run the middle school scholastic challenge program. I run the program Trout in the Classroom, and I think that's about it. PJS. I do the Pennsylvania Junior Academy of Science. Okay, I have a daughter in 2nd grade and I have a daughter in kindergarten, and I send them here because I truly believe this is the best place for them to be. They are getting the best education that they can get. They are making friendships that will last a lifetime. I'm a graduate of this school, and I just believe in this place so much. Obviously, I work here, and so sending my kids elsewhere just isn't even an option for me.
Go.
When the Middle States Association, whatever they are, came to evaluate our school to see what our strengths and weaknesses were, they talked about the one word that the students kept talking about that characterized Central, and that was the word family, because we all seem to be very close with one another, care about one another, and that, along with the centeredness around God, makes our school special.
The way Central affects your friendships and relationships is that you are all like brothers and sisters. You get along a lot of the time, but then like brothers and sisters you fight, but that's good because in the long run you end up loving each other anyway.
What does being a leader mean to you?
Someone who stands up and is nice to other people. I mean, they should be brave, they should be nice, they should set a good example. Taking charge and being the kind person in the group that stops bullying or whatever is going on.
Being a leader means being brave and taking charge of a situation.
Leadership means to me influencing others to follow in your footsteps to make the right decisions.
Hi, I'm Mrs. Kramer. I am a teacher at DuBois Central Catholic in the middle school, and I'm going to talk to you about Classroom of the Future. Classrooms of the Future is a new initiative that we started last year. We decided to replace our TVs with flat screen TVs. They are replacing our projectors that cost a lot more money over the period of time. They break a lot. So we're modernizing our classrooms to give each classroom more of a campus feel. Our next phase is we are replacing desks with furniture that allows students to collaboratively work together, move around the room a little bit easier. It involves our classrooms to be more student-centered versus teacher-centered. Things that we're already doing, we're just making our environment in the classroom fit our teaching style while we modernize it. Moving forward, we are looking to replace every room with new furniture. We want to do some cosmetic work in the classroom with replacing blinds, adding cabinet doors, and doing a color palette to kind of tie everything together with our future.
Hi, I'm Ms. Winslow. I'm the pre-K through 5th grade technology teacher. I'm also going to be starting a after-school program with the 5th grade for technology. We're going to be learning Ozobots. But what I want to show you, we do a lot of computer programming with my kids right up from preschool to 5th grade. We do typing, we do Microsoft Word, PowerPoint. Right now I have December is the coding month. So 1st grade through 5th grade, I'm doing an hour of code with them. And I just got over here the new Osmos. And on here I have even the preschoolers. They're learning how to do shapes. And I'm also teaching them how to do words. They're learning their words off of the Osmo. The Osmo is simply an iPad with the base and the reflector, and they can do coding, words, math, spelling, shapes, all kinds of cool things where I can integrate what they're learning in the classroom with technology, which gives them advantage. Not just with the hand, like the paper, the old-fashioned paper and pencil, but they're I'm plugging in with what they
do every day at home with the computers and technology, just to try to stimulate a more interest in what they're learning in the classroom.
Hi, I'm Peter Garrett.
I'm Becca Little.
Some of the activities you can do here at Central but aren't really sports related are robotics. You can be part of the choir. You can be in mock trial. What else?
Musicals.
Yeah, every year we have an all-school musical that you can be a part of. It's a really good time.